Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have these microwave carbon air filters, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about them in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Okay, so this pack comes with 3 of them. As you can guess, the third one is in my microwave. And these things are really nice, and a lot of people, I never knew this until a few months ago, you have to replace your microwave filters every 6 to 9 months it's recommended, or you can kind of get like a lot of buildup of grease in there, and it just can have a lot of foul odors and stuff like that. These things help with that problem and keep your house nice and fresh, keep your microwave fan working great as well. And that has to be my favorite thing about this, guys, is just, it comes with 3 of these, so you're pretty much covered for like 27 months with these. And guys, they're just so easy to put in. You just unscrew part of your microwave, or some microwaves you just slide a thing over, you take the old one out, slip this one right in, and you're good to go. And that has to be my favorite thing, guys, just the simplicity of it. It comes with 3, so you're set for a long time. I really don't like those things like for example, fridge filters, where like every 6 months your fridge blinks and then you gotta go run to Home Depot and just buy one. I really like that it comes in a 3-pack, so that you're not thinking about this every 6 months. It's about more like once every 1 or 2 years kind of a thing. And just really high quality, guys, and it's been working great. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.